me speak, but words are held accountable. Speaking starvation, feeling worthless cause my mouth is full. Work is insurmountable.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video, we work on the motorcycle. Now if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should. Head on over to Instagram and give me a follow. But on Instagram, I posted that I had bought something for the Harley, and I asked you guys to leave guesses down in the comments below. Well, if you guessed that I got a battery, a phone mount, or a new exhaust, you were right, because I got all three. But in today's video, I'm just going to install the battery and the phone mount. The exhaust will have to wait for a later date because there's one more piece I need to get in order to change the air-fuel ratio in the motorcycle so that it runs properly on the new exhaust. And if you're wondering what exhaust I got a Vance & Hines short shot exhaust system. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can see the exhaust system, how much it costs and all that, in case you want to put it on your Harley. In my case, I don't know if you guys know, but I have a 2012 Harley Davidson 72. It is one of their Sportster models, and because it's newer, it's a fuel injected 1200cc V-twin engine, and she's fun to ride. Let's just get right into it. Let's go. So the battery I ended up purchasing was it's an aftermarket battery. I'm gonna have to do that with two hands, but it's made by Milwaukee twins. And the reason I got that is it had really good reviews, and it had a higher crank amp rating than factory batteries. So it's a win-win. Cheaper battery, better cranking amps, and had really good reviews, so I'm not worried about it being, a piece of junk. And the reason it's probably cheaper than the Harley batteries is, well, because it's not a Harley battery. Anything with the Harley name on it is like twice as expensive. So here it is, it's the Milwaukee twins sealed high output battery. Looks like it comes with a 1-year warranty. Did not know that. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with all the hardware you need to mount it up in the motorcycle. Now if you're wondering where your battery is on your Harley Davidson Sportster, it's actually right underneath the seat here. There's a cover on the left side of the bike right here. I apologize, it's super dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. But you pop this cover off, and that exposes your battery. Now you got to take your seat off, which is easy. You take this one screw out, this one bolt, and then this whole thing slides out and up. All right, old battery out. Time to put the new one in. Now there's one difference I noticed with the factory OEM Harley battery and the aftermarket battery. On the factory battery, if the camera will zoom in here, let's go. Right here, there's no hollow area in the terminal that you have to stick a nut in for the bolt to grab onto. Now on the aftermarket battery, there is a hollow space right here that you will have to stick one of these guys in and then grab onto that with this bolt. So it's gonna be a little bit harder than the factory battery, but it is what it is.
Emotion. got emotion. You got. Oh, don't you know?
I'm out of shape. I need to go jog or something. Alright, that was a pain. But it might be all worth it here in the end. Let's see if she'll start up. Alright, she needs some gas, so I'm gonna get suited up real quick and go get some gas from the gas station.
Ooh, yeah, top it off. Oh yeah, nice and full.
Alright, it's day 2, the following day. Today I'm going to install the cell phone mount and get this thing washed up and nice and clean for tomorrow, as tomorrow is the Cars and Cigars down in Ashburn, Virginia, and I want it to look nice. And the phone mount is going to be so I can use my GPS, so I know how to get down there, because I know which way to go, but I don't exactly know which way to go, so kind of need that GPS. So let's go do that. Let's go. Now this must be some kind of super dirt or something, because I rode the motorcycle to work and back, and it's about an hour commute for me. I feel like none of this dirt came off. I mean, look at this. Look how dirty it still is. Like, the wind didn't blow it off at all. So we're gonna have to give her a good cleaning and get her ready for the show tomorrow. Alright, now that she's all cleaned up, I'm going to move on to the phone mount, get that mounted up, and we'll be done. So the phone mount that I used, that I got for my motorcycle, is made by a company called Rockform, and they make phone cases for your iPhone. And I saw this on Jake the Garden Snake's channel, and I thought it was really cool, so I went ahead and purchased it myself. So I got iPhone 6s Plus. I got the kit for that, and it comes with this mount that mounts up to your handlebar, like so. Really easy, just uses Allen bolts, and you just mount it up. And then on the back of their phone is this connection right here, which matches up with this. So basically all you do is, I'll show you, line your phone up with it. Try that again. So you line up your phone and then turn, and it locks into place. And then there's a strong magnet on the back of it right here that actually adds as a second safety thing. And then actually came with it as well was a lanyard that's supposed to wrap around, but my dog broke it. So I'll just have to deal with the two. But the nice thing is, now when I'm sitting on the motorcycle and I'm riding, I can have my GPS right here, right in front of me. definitely gonna come in handy tomorrow when I'm heading down to somewhere I've been before. I've only been once and I don't know where I'm going, so I can plug it in there and be on my way. And as always, I will put a link in the description below so you guys can see where I got the phone mount in case you want to purchase it yourself. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope to see you guys out there at the Cars and Cigars Kickoff at DC Prime and Steak. And always remember, stay boosted.